Namaste. My name is Prathamesh Vishal Lingayat. I am studying in 9th standard in St. Joseph English Medium School, Barshi. And today I will be going to play Mahatma Gandhi in the National Online Solo Act competition organized by Gandhi Research Foundation. First of all, I would like to thank Gandhi Research Foundation for giving me a chance to play our dear Mahatma. Hello, myself Mahatma Gandhi, and today I will be going to give an interview to a reporter of Statesman. First of all, I would like to request that I will repeat your question as it is, as your English accent is very fast and Hindi is popular language in India. So the people might find it difficult to understand your fast English accent. And I would repeat it in a slow manner in English only. If you don't have any problem. Okay, great. Then you can start the interview. Okay. So your first question is, what was my dream? I would say to become a politician. In that way only, I can free my nation. And also, I can spread my thoughts, ideologies, and also to make people realize the true value of freedom. Okay. So your next question is, what was or what is my biggest power? I would say my ideas. Because you can hold me in chains, you can torture me, but you cannot imprison my ideas. They are immortal, and hence people say immortal is the most strongest. Okay, yeah, interesting. From where I got the philosophy of non-violence, from the Sanskrit roots. Being a Gujarati, I love Sanskrit. I studied it a lot. And ahimsa is the original word in Sanskrit, and non-violence is the English translation of it. And also, I will tell you one interesting incident. I was in Durban, South Africa, and almost all the people there judged me by the color of my skin. They criticized me. Hence, I was a victim of racial prejudice. And to stop this from all parts of the world, non-violence is the best way. Non-violence is the only way in which we can destroy an evil mind and we can win a good heart. Hence the quote, hate the sin but love the sinner. Okay, you're asking, will India ever get freedom in future? Yes, definitely. Because the people in India are passionate about freedom. It is their ultimate aim. They are struggling a lot for freedom. They can even give their lives for that. And if people are passionate a lot for something, I would say success or freedom is one step ahead.